Hey, it's Andrew Wille, aka AndrewOptics, and I'm here with Adorama TV, and today I've got the brand new GoPro HERO11 Black. I'm really excited to test this thing out for a full day of shooting in the city, and with that said, let's see what this thing can do. So one of the new features that I've been most excited to test out is this new Horizon Lock. So with Horizon Lock turned on, as soon as you start recording, no matter how much your GoPro rotates, it's actually going to keep that perfect horizon level and give you just really nice looking footage overall. What makes this feature even cooler is you get the full 5.3K resolution, whereas before you had to have the Max Pro lens mount, which actually brought you down to 2.7K. So I'm really excited about that feature. There's a ton of really good use cases for it. But what I'm gonna do now is have my cameraman Steve cruise around on his board. I'm gonna follow him and we're gonna see what kind of smooth footage we can get. So I'm really excited about how this footage is looking already. As you can see, we're on a super bumpy road, but the new Horizon Lock handled it flawlessly. While I was originally testing out the new Horizon Lock, the bumpy road was a perfect test to showcase GoPro's new Hyper Smooth 5.0. With all this shot handheld and from another skateboard, I'm beyond impressed. As a content creator, another really awesome use case for this GoPro HERO11 Black is that you're able to capture really nice behind the scenes footage. Anytime I'm out shooting photos with my camera, I like to just snap it onto this necklace right here. And again, I'm able to capture that really nice looking behind the scenes footage. And then from there, I'm able to utilize those in Instagram Reels, TikTok, Stories, all that fun stuff just to elevate my content. And with that said, let's just get out and shoot around downtown LA. Try actually standing a little closer to it. 2, 1, go. All right, so here's just a really cool composition where I'm gonna have Steve stand in the middle there. So take a couple steps forward. And then that's just gonna provide a really nice point of interest with all this really nice scale around him. So I'm gonna put my focus on him. If you take a little actual step, a little bit that way, perfect, yep. So just like that. And then if I get down lower and angle up a little bit more to capture the whole top of the building up there, that again is also gonna be a really nice shot. Perfect. So again, I love being able to showcase scenes like this. It just gives another added element to the photos that you're taking. We've been doing a lot with video. I'm actually gonna switch this over to photo mode now and onto burst, which is gonna let me shoot in up to 30 frames per second. And what I wanna do is actually just capture myself jumping over the camera here with all these nice skyscrapers up above me. So let's just get that set up and see how that looks. Downtown LA is the perfect place to take photos, so before heading out, I'm going to test out the new 27 megapixel sensor, and let's see what we can get. We made it to our second location here at Elysian Park, and one of the biggest things that most people are gonna wonder when they're looking to get a new GoPro is how is the quality of that footage. So I'm gonna have Steve film a nice B-roll sequence of me getting ready to skate and then cruising down that hill. Let's see what he can do. And one of the last features I wanted to test out before heading to the beach is the time-lapse mode on the GoPro HERO11 Black. And what better place to do that than on a nice overlook with downtown LA just right in the backdrop. So I'm gonna set up just this little tripod here and capture all this traffic moving forward, and we'll just see how that looks. All right, so we made it out to the beach here just in time for sunset, and I'm excited to put the slo-mo and that hyper smooth 5.0 to the test. And with that said, let's just get in the water and see what this thing can do. Alright guys, and that about wraps it up for today. I had a really awesome time testing out all these new updates and features to the new GoPro HERO11 Black. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Adorama on all of our social channels for more. Catch you in the next one.